Okay, Largo dos Bombeiros. So this is a giant square, so we're just going to explore the periphery part a little bit, show you the Rua de Cunha over there, and then also this is kind of where we're coming from. So this is kind of a main street right that way, and it's another kind of main street that way, and we're kind of going towards Taipa downtown in this way. And over that way is Taipa village, so we're going to kind of go into that a little bit, Taipa village as well. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go check this all out. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna walk towards the peripheral part so you can see everything. That's Rua de Cunha, and we're probably gonna walk down that way because I think that's part of the square as well. It's hot right now. It's like 1 p.m., 1:30, something like that, 2 o'clock even. Got a beautiful tree right there, and I think this is called yeah, Largo dos Bombeiros, because I think that this had like some kind of fire hall reference in the past. But we're gonna be heading that way in a minute, and that's where all the people are at. But I do want to show the periphery part. So yeah, you kind of got this. There's a parking garage down that way. That's all Taipa downtown over there, so you can see all those tall buildings on the other side. Giant building. Nice balconies right there. This is our street, Largo dos Bombeiros. Might be interesting to go back there, but I think we'll stick to this side. And now you can see all of our artwork over there as well. I got some tourist stuff in here too. And I think these are all closed. Yeah, these are real nice, huh? Casino Pinocchio kitchen. Okay, real nice architecture. So we're gonna do is kind of walk along the periphery part here. Nice benches here. Dang, it's quite a hot day today. All the beautiful artwork. And this is called Rua de Cunha. Looks like they got some images of old Macau. Of course, you can stop on any of those you want. So yeah, so this is Rua de Cunha, and a lot of tourists go up and down here. So we'll probably show you more of these before we go. Waterfront in the past. Pretty cool. Okay. So let's just kind of walk towards this mess of people. So I think this is also part of our Largo de Bombeiros as well. So we'll fade into here. So it's kind of maybe more two groups in this area, I think. We're gonna come on in. Let's see, looks like this has a different name. Largo dos Sanchez Miranda. So we'll probably end this one in a second, but I do want to show you that there's all these little labyrinth of pedestrian-friendly side streets everywhere, as you can see. And they're all right off of Rua de Cunha, which is right there. So let's just kind of walk down Rua de Cunha since it's such an integral part of that Largo. So you might as well get in there as well. Lots of restaurants in here. And then I'm just going to show you some of the side streets as well. So you got lots of little side streets, pedestrian friendly. More on that side too. That's all of it off that plaza, right? It's called Rua de Cunha. Let's just walk a little bit more since maybe you guys are a little curious. Yeah, the tourists are coming back. Cabeza Nova. Let's see. Lord Stowe's is a famous bakery right there. So that's where we started, back that way. Go a little bit further. And so this is basically another square right in here. So and that we started at the one down there.